Now let's create a new folder inside of the root of our project called mod. And inside of this folder, we're going to create a file called day.php. Inside of the day.php, we start with the opening PHP tag. And because we're using getJSON method, jQuery function, to call this file, and JSON uses get request, so we need to check if isn't empty get year, and I'm going to copy this, and isn't empty get month, else we're going to echo JSON and code array error will equal true. So if these two aren't present, then obviously we want to generate error. Inform the script that the error has occurred. Okay, so we have now variable year, which will simply equal get year, and variable month, which will equal, and I'm going to go a string len again to check how long is the month variable, how long is the value of the month variable. If it's less than 2, then what we're going to do, we're going to precede it with 0 dot and then our get month. So we always have 2 characters. Otherwise, it's going to be just get month. Again, I'm going to hide the browser so I can see clear. Okay, now we have days equals, and now we're going to use another PHP function called call days in month. First of all, we need to provide the constant to define which calendar we want to use. We will be using cal Gregorian. The second parameter will be month, and third is a year. So now we know how many days in this specific month of the year there are, and then we go for out equals, and we start with the select, building our select basically for the day. Name equals day, ID equals day, and go out. First option, value blank, 2 hyphens, option, and that's done. Then out. Actually, now we're going to do our for loop. So we have I equals 1, I less or equals, and now days. Obviously, we're finding out how many days in a specific month of the year is here, so we can provide this as a parameter. So it has to be less or equal the number of days, and then we simply do I plus plus to obviously allow looping until this condition has been met. So again, same thing, I equals string len, I is less than 2, then we're going to proceed it with 0, otherwise it's simply I. Okay, and we continue with our out variable, option value equals double quote I, actually within a single quote, so we need to do it with a concatenation, I double quote, then we close the opening option tag, then out equals, and we simply add I to it, out, and we need to close our option tag. Actually, this is done. Now if I scroll up a little bit, and after this we simply go out, closing select tag, and echo JSON and code array error equals false, and the menu to be replaced with what we've just created here. That seemed to be fine. I'm going to save everything. Now if we go to our browser, refresh, if I choose the year 2011 and April, you can see that our day menu has been activated and we have 30 days in April 2011. Now if I'm going to choose April 2013, it's also 30 days. But if we go for February, we have 28 days. If we go for 2012 February, we have 29 days. Now if we select any of these, let's say 12 of February 2012, if I'm going to select a blank value from the month menu, you can see that value of the date has been reset, and again our menu is inactive. So that's everything in this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Any questions, use our comment section.